Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the chemistry of protein, right? So when we talk about the chemistry of protein, these are organic nitrogenous compounds formed at carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen atoms. Polymers of 20 naturally occurring amino acids, right? The proteins are polymers of 20 different naturally occurring amino acids, which is there, right? So here you can see into the structure. Here the central alpha carbon, right? The central alpha carbon to which the carboxylic hydrogen and amine group are attached. Okay. Alpha carbon is also attached to a side chain called R group, right? Here you can see that down one here, that is also will be there. And the another thing, the nitrogen and carbon terminals, that is also here into the structure of the amino acids, right? So when we talk about the structure under chemistry, it is basically three types: aliphatic, aromatic and heterocyclic. So in aliphatic, it has have no ring structure, right? Ring structure will not be there. It may be the neutral, basic and acidic. So for neutral example is glycine, for basic example it is arginine, and acidic, the example it is aspartic acid. Coming to the aromatic type, with benzene and phenol ring, right? So examples are phenylalanine and tyrosine. Then heterocyclic nature or heterocyclic structure, it has other type of ring, like examples are histidine and tryptophan, right? Then another chemistry which we can observe under proteins, that are optical activity. So these are optically active. They can form D and L isomers, like levorotatory and dextrorotatory, clockwise and anti-clockwise, right? So examples are L alanine and D alanine, right? So L alanine, it is the amide group left of alpha carbon, that, and here in the D alanine, the amide group will be into the right of the alpha carbons, right? You can see into the structure, they are going to be like this. Then another chemistry which we can mention here, polarity of R group, right? So what is the functional group? It is there along with the amino acid basic structure or general structure. What is the polarity nature? Suppose if it is non-polar, means hydrophobic and no reactive groups, it will be having no reactive groups. Examples are it is example is alanine. Then if it is polar, it is hydrophilic, reactive group will be there, right? So in this reactive groups, the polar it will be charged and uncharged. When it is charged, it offering or demanding proton, right? If it is uncharged, some functional group will be attached, a neutral polar functional group like OH, SH and NH, like that. Okay. Then another thing in chemistry we can mention, that is the nutritional value, right? So as per nutritional point of view, there is a essential proteins and non-essential. So coming to the essential, the examples are sorry, essential protein means it cannot be synthesized in body. Examples are valine and leucine. The another hand, non-essential, it can be synthesized. So examples are glycine and alanine, right? So these much things you can write into the chemistry of protein. Thank you.